Okay, let's continue with example 12. In this example, assuming the cost of producing 10 units of a given product is 40 ringgit, while that of 20 units is 70 ringgit. If the cost C is linearly related to production quantity Q, find A, the linear equation that links C to Q, B, the cost required to produce 35 units of the product. Remember, the first question asks us to find the linear equation. So linear equation is normally in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Okay, let's look at the first part. So as I said, the linear equation is given by y equals to mx plus c. So if we convert this into a cost function, then y is represented by c, and then the x is q. So we have c equals to mq plus a small c, which is a constant. So we are given q equals to 10 and c equals to 40. So when we substitute into this equation, so we have c equals to 40 equals to q equals to 10. Alright, so 40 equals to 10m plus c. So let's say this is equation 1. And then when q equals to 20, c equals to 70. So substitute c with 70 and substitute q with 20. We will get 70 equals to 20m plus c. So we need to solve these two equations. Alright, so what we will do is we take equation 2 minus 1 because we want to get rid of c. Right? So when we take equation 2 minus 1, we have 70 minus 40 equals to 30. And on the right hand side, we have 20m minus 10m equals to 10m. Alright? So when 30 equals to 10m, therefore m equals to 30 over 10, or m equals to 3. Then substitute this into either equation 1 or 2. Let's say we substitute into equation 1. So we have m equals to 3. 3 times 10 is 30. So 30 shift to the left. We have 40 minus 30. Therefore C equals to 10. Okay. So once we have found m equals to 3 and c equals to 10, substitute into this equation. C equals to mq plus c. So we will get c equals to m equals to 3 just now. So 3q plus the small c is 10. So the cost function now is equals to c equals to 3q plus 10. Okay. Now question B, we are given the quantity equals to 35 units. So when 35 units of the product is produced, then we substitute into the cost function. So we will get cost equals to 3 times q. Q is 35 plus 10. 35 times 3 is 105 plus 10. So that will give us 115. The cost of producing 35 units of the product. Okay.